Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling live on your channel and selecting your delivery method. Use an encoder for multi-source lessons or webcam for quick sessions. Pick 1080p at 30 fps if your bandwidth allows. Plug and test your microphone and camera, then lock framing and lighting so students focus on content. Once done, create the stream in YouTube Studio, set title and schedule, and add school-appropriate description and age settings so parents and admins know what to expect. Next, configure the stream and student interaction. Copy your stream key into the encoder but never share it. If using YouTube's built-in camera, choose privacy and latency settings, low latency for interaction, normal for stability. Enable live chat and assign moderators or hold messages for review. Create scenes for slides, full camera, and screen share, and map hotkeys so you switch seamlessly during instruction. Make sure to pin the lesson outline and resources so students can follow along without asking repeatedly. To finish, record and auto-archive the session so absent students can review. End the stream in YouTube Studio, don't just close your encoder, and then inspect the VOD for audio sync and caption accuracy. Add or edit captions if needed. If problems occur, try simple fixes first. Switch to wired Ethernet, lower resolution to 720p, restart the encoder, and verify the stream key. If chat lags, enable low latency, only when interaction is essential, and inform students about expected delays.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.